Hi everyone, my name is Vimodini.
I am Yogesh.
We are currently pursuing a Master of Commerce degree from the SMS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Bangalore. Now we are going to discuss about trend analysis. Yogesh will be carrying
Now we are going to see about trend analysis. Trend analysis now will be a company of value கொடுத்துருவாங்க ஸ்டாக் பிஃபோர் ப்ராஃபிட் டாக்ஸ் சேல்ஸ் இதோட வேல்யூ வந்து கம்பெனியோட பேஸ் வேல்யூ வந்து பேஸ் வேல்யூ இருக்கு கரன்சியோட வேல்யூ வந்து கம்பேர் பண்ணி வர பர்சன்டேஜ் தான் இதோட ட்ரெண்ட் அனாலிசிஸ். ஓகே now some will be discussed below.
First value is sales. In 1994 is the base value. We calculate by 1994. The trend analysis formula is current year divided by base year into 100. First one 1994. 1994 the value is 1,08,000. So trend analysis is equal to current year divided by base year. So 1,80,000 divided by 1,20,000 equal to 100. For all the base year, 100 will be. For second value, 2,30,000 divided by the base value 1,80,000 into 100. The amount is 127.7. Like this, we can follow all the values. Okay, next we calculate stock. Stock will be given 70,000. 70,000 divided by 70,000 into 100. So the 100 will be given. Next, 78,100 divided by base year 70,000 into 100. The value is 11.57. We calculate next profit before tax. For this, the current year is 48,500. The base year is 32,000 into 100. The value is 135.92. Second year, 45,700. The base value is 32,000. Like this, you have to follow by all the years. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Shakti.
Hi, I am Yogesh.
We are currently pursuing our second M.Com degree in Dr. S.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to see about ratio analysis. The word ratio analysis means the ratio is termed as ratio analysis. Now the sum will be discussed by Nikhil.
Last profit ratio equal to last profit divided by last sales into 100. Sales கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது வந்து sales equal to cost of sales plus last profit. Cost of sales equal to 90,000 plus last profit equal to 27,000 equal to 60,000. Sales. Therefore, last profit equal to last profit divided by sales equal to 100. Last profit equal to 27,000.